Welcome to today's video. You've already seen the title, so you know that I am decluttering my room and getting it ready and decorated for Christmas. In the background, I am sorting out my books. I have a lot of books that I've either read or I don't plan on reading, so I'm just making a big pile of all the ones that I'm going to sell or donate and all of the ones that I want to keep for like memory purposes or I want to reread them. I ended up with this big pile that I'm getting rid of and this pile that I'm keeping. I actually ended up getting rid of a few more, so imagine this pile a little bit smaller than it is. I'm also redoing all my makeup area. All of these drawers were completely full and like falling out of it, so I'm getting rid of a bunch of my makeup. All of this stuff on the desk here I'm either donating to like friends and family or I'm trying to sell if it's fairly new, and all of my everyday makeup and all of my makeup for like a bit more than every day fits in this one thing, so I'm happy how it looks. I'm also going through all of my drawers. I want them completely emptied for something, so I'm slowly getting through them. This is all the stuff I've gone through so far and I'm getting rid of. My desk is constantly a dumping ground. I'm sure this happens for everybody. It's just like the one surface in my room that's constantly getting messy no matter what happens, because every time I walk into my room, I chuck something on my desk and it just ends up constantly filling up. I think I had to clean my desk like 10 times in the couple of weeks that I was doing this video for my redoing my room thing. But this is what it looks like when it's kind of clean. I do end up taking some more stuff off and sorting some stuff later, but this is like one of the times that I had to clean it out of the 10 times. I also cleaned all my drawers, minus that packet of Oreos. That's for all my stationery, and that one I'm going to put all my tech stuff in. I'm now taking everything off of this little tray that I have on top of my set of drawers, and I'm just going to reorganize it and give it a dust because, as you can see, it's covered in dirt. I don't think I've dusted that area in so long, and I just want to declutter everything on that tray because that as well fills up with so much decor. Here I've got all of my bags that I honestly don't use. As you can see, I have two backpacks that are exactly the same, but I've probably used that pink one like twice in my life, and that black one I pick up all the time. There's also a bunch of scarves that I don't wear, so I'm just taking them all off and getting rid of them. I'm just keeping one handbag, one backpack, an umbrella, an overnight kind of bag, and then like my fancy bag for like events or weddings or something. This is my wardrobe area. As you can tell, it is full. This basket here is actually completely full of clean clothes that don't fit in my wardrobe because I have too many clothes in them. Surprise, surprise, you can probably tell. The best thing to do for that is to get rid of clothes. So I'm going through my wardrobe, I'm trying a bunch of things on, I'm just seeing if there's anything in there that I don't wear or I bought and I could donate that I really don't need, making sure everything still fits me because I've got some really old clothes in there. I ended up with about 15 or so spare coat hangers, but it was still quite full. I honestly need to go through them a bit better. This is the pile of clothes that I am selling or donating. It ended up with quite a few more than I thought I had. This is what I ended up doing to my shoes. I got rid of about 50% of my shoes. I still think I could get rid of a few more, but these are the ones I wanted to keep the most. It covers everything from like boots, casual shoes, runners, like heels, all that. These are the shoes that I'm either donating or getting rid of. So this is what my wardrobe looked like after I put all my clean clothes away. I still had some more to put away, so those extra coat hangers will not be extra coat hangers for very long, but it turned out pretty good. Apologies for the really bad lighting, but it's currently like 8:30 at night. It's still somewhat light outside because of like daylight savings or whatever. All my family's gone out for dinner tonight and I'm home by myself, so I thought I'm gonna have a late night. It's a Sunday night. I want to try and get some of this cleaning done because it's really annoying me, so I'm going to show you where I'm at now. It's pretty bad. So I've finished the top of here. I've like cleaned all that and everything, but I'm still finishing going through all the drawers. My desk is like kind of clean, but still there's a lot of stuff that I gotta figure out. There's so many dishes in my room. These are all the drawers that I'm currently pulling out of my drawers, obviously. I still have a bunch of stuff that I'm trying to organize all here. This is a donate clothes pile. This is a try to sell clothes pile. This is all my laundry I have to do. And this is a massive rubbish bag. And my bed's just, yeah, I need to change my sheets, but I'll wait till the end. and the top of my cupboard I haven't even touched yet. We get ready for another time lapse of me cleaning my room in terrible lighting. So today I don't have anything on until like 5 because I've got work tonight. So today I'm going to tackle the top of my wardrobe. More than half of it is probably all Christmas stuff. So I'm going to get all that out and I'm going to sort everything else. And then if I get enough time, I might even decorate my room for Christmas today. If not tomorrow, which I'm really excited about, even though there's technically like a few more days until December. Like, who cares, I'm gonna put it up early. I wanted to put it up sooner, but I wanted to get my room finished cleaned first, and it's taking a lot longer than I thought. So today I'm tackling that, which is gonna be the worst. It's the messiest part of my room because I just shove everything up there. So we're gonna do that. I'm having some issues. I'm emptying out my cupboard, and honestly, like, majority of the stuff is like Christmas things, a massive craft box that I don't use, and then the rest of it's all like memory things and like things I just can't get rid of. The whole like idea of doing this was to try and really massively reduce my stuff, because I honestly want to try and start living more minimally. And I'm finding that really difficult because there's so many things I can't get rid of, like memory things. I have a box already full of like my year 12 yearbook that I'm going to want to look at when I'm older. Like all these photo books and stuff that we've made from like holidays, and like this massive box here is also full of photos. Like I've got these books that my grandma used to read to me when I was little, and I kept them after she passed away. And like my graduation bear from year 6, like this has got written things from all my year 6 friends and teachers. Like I can't get rid of this stuff. Another issue I have is like my tech boxes. Like, you're not supposed to get rid of these, right? I've got 2 phone ones because this is my current phone and this is my brother's phone because I gave him my old phone. Then I've got one with my Apple Pencil, my Apple Watch, my iPad, and then my MacBook. Can you tell I like Apple? But like, what am I supposed to do with these? Because you're meant to keep them in case. I don't know what for. I've never had to use them, but I feel so dumb right now. I'm going to show you why. I've had these in my room for ages now, and I've been meaning to take them all off of the thing and just chuck them in this pencil case. Long story short, I have a board and I'm constantly changing the things on it for my market stalls, so I just wanted to put it in a pencil case to take it with me. And so I thought, while I'm cleaning my room, I'm going to start taking them off. And I've been peeling them off like by hand, each single one, for probably about 10 minutes now. And then I went to grab my scissors because one of them was being really difficult, and I realized it's so freaking easy to just do it with scissors. I'm going to try and do this one-handed even. You literally just go along the bottom. Oh my god, this is... I feel so dumb. It's taken me so long that I just decided to stop filming for a bit, but my room is now clean and I'm gonna quickly show you. So I've vacuumed all my floors and all my clothes are put away, and I've caught up on washing, and my bed's made, kind of cleaned all the bedside tables. All of these drawers are now completely empty, so I can use them for some stuff that I got planned. I still have to figure out this corner. It's kind of just all thrown in there. My desk needs a wipe down, and I need to sort through all these papers and put them into all the proper folders. But yeah, all the drawers in here are sorted. This is kind of sorted. I mean, it's basically clean, but I'm about to decorate it for Christmas and set up all my Christmas decorations, so everything's going to get moved anyway. That's why it's not like 100% done. But yeah, I'm so sweaty, and this has already taken me like over a week to get to this far. But now I've got to take all that stuff out. Oh my god, look at my hair. Just ignore that for a second. So now I gotta take all this stuff back down and set everything up for Christmas and pack away all the decor that I'm not gonna have out this year for Christmas. And yeah, but I think I need to change into something a bit cooler because I'm getting sweaty in this jumper. Okay, so my room is not 100% done because it honestly never is going to be. But I have finished cleaning and like decorating for Christmas, so I'm going to quickly show you how everything turned out. Also, don't mind all of this. I wasn't going to get ready just for this shot. I'm going to have a shower after this because I'm so done. So don't mind any of this. There's a whole bunch of rubbish that I got to get rid of out there. But these are my bags now because they're all the bags that I use. And then coming over here, I've got clothes. Up the top's actually really organized. It's just got all of my normal room decor up there because that's where my Christmas stuff's from. So I put some stuff back so I can fit my Christmas stuff in my room. And then I just hung some candy canes up here because it needed something. And I got tinsel at the bottom of my TV. And these are all like clean and organized now. All my shoes are clean and organized now. My dirty clothes are mostly in the wash. This is just a pile of all like wrapping papers and stuff because I always have like a theme. So that's like all my wrapping stuff because I gotta start wrapping presents. Got my mirror, obviously. Got my bed. It's just a jacket here, don't mind that. My dog's bed, I need to move the blankets and give them a wash. But then I got my pillow that I made last year. I've got my candy cane wreath that I made a couple of years ago that I really, really love. I love this thing. I think it looks great. And yeah, my pillow looks really good. And then I've got some silver tinsel with some colourful lights up there. On my bedside table, I made this wreath with like some silver, gold and like pinky baubles. I've got a little tree and a little gold nutcracker and a whole bunch of other junk just on my bedside table. My bedside table always gets messy. I kind of wish I had one that had a drawer because I need things to like put my essential bedside table things in. Then I've just got my fan with a Santa hat on because it needed something. Over here I've got my Christmas tree, which I'm a little stuck on. Hold on, let me turn on the lights. Oh, whoops. Okay, the lights need new batteries. I'm a little stuck on. I like it, but I don't know, not heaps. Got my jewellery next to it. These are basically all empty. I think the top two have got some stuff in it that I have to organise, but they're all empty, which is good because I want them empty for something. Then over here I've got my desk. I still need to go through all those papers and sort them into here. I have a Santa hat chair cover on my chair and my dog's bow that I need to put away. And over here is where I have majority of my Christmas decorations. This I'm going to change to something Christmassy. I haven't decided yet. Then I have this tree that I've had for a while. These three things are new. They're really cute. This is like a rose gold ceramic tree. And this is a little reindeer globe. Just put that there. That star was actually meant to be on the tree, but it didn't look right because I didn't have super rose gold stuff on there. I should have got a silver star. Down here I've just got, I think the only decoration I've got like Christmassy is that reindeer. I think it's adorable. Down the bottom I've got my little Gingy and some trees. I don't know. They're just trees. And yeah, that is my room. I need to vacuum again. I have already vacuumed, but as soon as I got all my Christmas stuff out, there's now like tinsel all over my floor. So I need to re-vacuum and I need to do the papers and I need to do my blankets, but it's basically done.